This project and business proposal is for the Axonale. The owner, Michelle Simpson, is who the proposal is for and being said to and presented to. Axonale is an awesome place to not only work, but to attend on nights for fun. The bar is unique for not only its small atmosphere, but you also get to throw axes. Michelle, you have the corner on the market here in St. Pete. This proposal is only going to benefit you and your business. We need to look at your social media presence. Updating not only means pictures and videos, but also your hours and things that are out of date for when you began the business and when you started your social media. Being on top of posts is important to keep your followers excited about your business. Keeping up with following people in the same mindset, drinkers, axe enthusiasts, late-nighters, can broaden your spectrum of doing things different or even get a larger following from their presence. We want to create a fan base. All of these different beneficial ways to reach out can be on more than just Facebook, but on Twitter and Instagram, as well as many other platforms. This diagram is a 2018 look at the amount of people following or on the different platforms. Engaging with people online is just as important as networking in person. We want to be eager to please. We want them to show interest as much as we show interest in them. The opportunities here are endless. Increased success, more efficient response time, and then we just gain followers and fans. Honestly, these implementations to focus a little more on social media can be simple and we can fix it. Let's make sure to be consistent to our hours, step up our posting game, and be on top of the solution. We have so much potential here. We just need a little more push to broaden our spectrum of success. We don't want anyone complaining or confused. Let's be more efficient with time by being more consistent with our social media presence. To gain followers and fans, not only behind the computer, but in real life, we want to have happier people. We want more satisfied customers. We want word of mouth. We want our business to be developing like crazy. With all this push of change, I know it can sound hard and overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. You do not have to do much. Once the initial updating of your profiles are done, posting pictures and videos and statuses can be easy peasy. You can even take a step back from it and hire a specialist. It can be the easiest way. This person can implement all the steps for you while you sit back and enjoy the benefits. If you choose to do it yourself, you'll want a little training, but it's nothing crazy, and to keep you on the right track, it's important. We want to build and curate engaging social media content so that people will get out behind their computers and come and see us at the bar. As you see here, the best case scenario will always outweigh the worst case. It all just depends on how motivated and structured your attack plan is. This is posts and followers benefiting your company, a larger understanding of social media. You win here. The plan. Make sure your decision, if you are to be the one to implement your social media or if you're going to hire someone. We want to create a name for your profile and be consistent with said name on each of your different social media accounts. The logo is huge because you will want to attach it to all of your posts so that people that don't know about you will know about you. We want to plan out the posts you will do. This will only benefit your time and structure in the long run. You want to plan them out so that you can post it on your daily. If you're running to work, you can just click and go. Social media, you will want to follow like-minded people and create an easy-to-read and maneuver description on your pages. Don't get disappointed if likes and followers don't start flooding your page right off the bat. Facebook and Instagram let you boost important posts. This means that it will reach out to people who aren't even following you. Only costs a little bit of money, but it's definitely worth it in the long run. Connection and mashups with similar businesses will also help you reach out to people. The longer and more comfortable you get with these interfaces, the better you will get at keeping followers' attention. And lastly, enjoy your success in your social media presence and your business that is coming from your social media presence. Thank you for taking the time to listen to my proposal.